Hello everyone, it's Cooking Simulator game tutorial, and in the current video we will implement slicing. But first of all, let's make our previous solution better. Open BP grabbable, and when the character drags it, call set collision enabled of the root with the set parameter no collision. Call set collision enabled with the parameter collision enabled. Also change the rules for detection to keep float. Next, open the inputs folder and rename IA interact to IA grab drop. And add two new input actions, IA start interaction and IA stop interaction. Create an input mapping context called IMC interaction. Open IMC interaction and add stop interaction with keys W, A, S, D and E. Also rename IMC movement to IMC default. Next, open it and add start interaction with key F. Then open project settings, go to engine collision, and rename the interactable trace channel and preset to grab drop. Next, add the channel called interactable with ignore in the response. We need this because we will have objects that we can grab and drop but cannot interact with. Next, open BPI interactable, rename interact to grab drop, and create a new function for interacting with the player, with the BP character as an input parameter. Also add a function called stop interaction. Open BP table to ensure that we now use grab drop instead of interact. Also open BP grabbable and change the event interact to grab drop if needed. Next, open BP character, and we have to move finding objects to interact or grab into a common function. Select formulas to calculate the sphere, then right click and choose collapse to function. Open the new function and move nodes around to make our graph look better. And we have to add trace channel as an input parameter. Hold the pin and move it to input node. And rename this function to find object to interact with. Then go back to event graph and move nodes. Also set channel to grab drop in grab drop event. Next, add the event IA start interaction. Also create a variable called isInteracting. And in the event, check if isInteracting is true. and call find object to interact with from the false pin. Set interactable as a trace channel. If an object to interact with is found, call the interact function of the hit actor. Also, the custom event called set is interacting. With input is interaction of boolean, and interaction object of BPI interactable. And promote those inputs to variables. If this interaction is true, add IMC interaction to the enhanced input of the player controller. If this interaction is false, remove this mapping context. Next, let's